Aubrey, good job on your presentation. I think you did a very thorough job in explaining everything you did on your presentation, and I liked how you did not get very wordy with it, and you explained each of your bullets and went further into depth during each slide, and just didn't write a whole lot of words on there, so it made it appealing to the eye and easy to follow, and you did a great job of explaining it. I like how you brought to light the issue of ineffective assessments towards the end of your presentation. I think there's a lot of things we do that are ineffective that we are doing just because we've done for a long time, and that's something that made me think about in my classroom that I need to change and maybe be more acceptable to doing assessments in a different way. Um, I didn't think about that in my presentation, so I think that was something good I learned from yours. I think doing these Oreo cookie reviews through this video can be effective when becoming an administrator to give timely feedback to teachers after evaluations, or just to give personal messages during the day instead of repeating myself 15 times. So I think that would be something that could be useful as a future administrator. Your project was clear, precise, and to the point, and you did an excellent job. As we finish up this course, for the only a few modules left, I can't wait to continue to learn from you, and I wish you the best of luck as we go through this course. Great job.